Hi everyone, welcome to Tutorial Master. Today I am going to show you how you can take screenshot on your PC. Let's get started. On your keyboard, press Windows icon key along with Shift and S to open the snipping tool. As you can see that on the top bar, you have four options: rectangular snip, freeform snip, Windows snip, and full screen snip. You can take the screenshot of anything do you want. For example, I take the screenshot of that and it will notify me that the snip saved to clipboard. By clicking on it, you will have different options. You can make edit to it, you can type on it, anything, and you can also crop its size. On the right hand side, there is an option for saving. Save as. Save where do you want to save it. And you can also copy and paste it into other applications. By clicking on the three dots, you can see that there is a setting option. There is print option as well. You can also print directly this by going into the printer option. And by clicking on the settings, you can see that the following settings. Use the print screen button to open screen snipping. Make sure to enable it. By clicking on it, it will ask you to switch apps. Click on yes, and after that, it will take you into the settings. By scrolling down below, you will look for print screen shortcut. Use the print screen button to open snip screen. Enable it to on. Now, whenever you press the print screen key on your keyboard, it will enable the snipping tool, as you can see that. And there are also other options available, so there is no need to change them. So this is all about how to take screenshot on your PC. It's totally free and built in Windows 10 and 11 both. Don't forget to try it and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Goodbye.